Hi people, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Today we're gonna talk about sleep and beauty. Sleeping and beauty goes hand in hand. The amount and the quality and the quantity of sleep shows on your skin and also on your body. Risk of not sleeping enough can cause stress, less to no recovery, hormone dysfunction, weaken your immune system. Your skin suffers a lot. If all these health risks don't motivate you to get more, just do it for your look. Recent studies reveal that people with less sleep had wrinkles, fine lines, uneven skin color, and faster your aging. Now look at other side of sleeping enough. Optimal recovery, stable blood sugar, relieve stress, strengthen your immune system. As you can see, sleeping less than 5 hours and oversleeping more than 10 hours have a negative impact. Whereas sleeping in between 7 to 10 hours can give you enhanced skin and also helps in recovery. Best food to enhance your sleep: nuts, lean protein, kiwi, dairy product. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.